Are you still struggling with high electricity bills and blackouts at night? This 300-watt solar floodlight is a perfect solution. It charges during the day using solar energy and it lights up automatically at night. It's bright enough for homes, shops, compounds, farms, schools, and security lighting. This floodlight comes along with a panel, remote control, and all accessories needed for installation. No electricity wiring, no monthly power costs, just reliable energy from the sun. So order yours today and enjoy powerful and long-lasting illumination throughout the night. We deliver countrywide, so contact us today while stock lasts. We are also located in Industrial Area, 2nd Street, behind the New Vision offices.